What's going on, guys? I'm back again with another video, and today I'll be telling you guys about a dream that I had, and I'm gonna share a clip. I'm gonna share a video clip um, showing that it's the same exact thing that God showed me in His dream that I had 2 months ago. And in this dream that I had, I dreamed that I was driving down the road, and I was in my hometown, and it was me and my kids and my spouse, and I dreamed that all of a sudden I started hearing alarms go off, and once I started hearing these alarms going off, I immediately looked in the sky, and after I looked into the sky, I could see fog, smoke coming down, and as the smoke was coming down, and it was like literally like the smoke was so toxic that if you had anything on that was synthetic and it was not real, like for instance, if you had grease in your hair or you had weave in your hair, soon as the smoke would touch this weave, it would you immediately would come up in flames. So in this clip that I want to share with you guys, it's just really the same thing that that God had gave me. The same everything that's going on in Canada, everything's going on in New York, and with the wildfires and the toxic smoke is literally what God showed me in His dream like 2 months ago that this was coming. But hold on for a second.
Of the worst air qualities ever recorded. Images are startling, even apocalyptic. They say being outside is like smoking 3 to 11 cigarettes a day. Wow.
The more pollutants in the air, the worse quality air people are up against.
You could not see anything behind this reporter this morning. The air quality in New York City today was the worst in the entire world. Even worse than Delhi, the Indian city, which is known for its noxious air. And in Times Square, tourists were shocked by the smoke. 100 million people here in the U.S. across 13 states are impacted, all due to the wildfire.
13 states.
In Canada, several large wildfires burning out of control and just getting huge plumes of this smoke. Look at this scene in New York, something like the surface of Mars.
And this scene in New York, that the skies is orange, you know, because the smoke is so thick, it's blocking the sun. But a lot of this gives me an understanding that uh, God is pouring out wrath. That's what I think he pouring out judgment on certain states because of their wickedness. This stuff is crazy, man, but it's real. You know, God is real. And I'm gonna tell you one more thing too, man. Like when God gives you certain dreams, it's best to pay attention to him because see, God always give warning before destruction. He always give warning for destruction.
Right now is to stay indoors. Many school districts have canceled field trips and all outdoor activities. If we look at the weather, it says air quality alert, 160, unhealthy. Should we even be outside right now? Well, again, that unhealthy refers to the sensitive parts of the population. I think for most adults, healthy adults, we won't have much of an effect. So if you have an air conditioner, you shut the windows, use recycled air setting on your air conditioner, and that'll keep the inside as clean as possible. It feels a little weird. My eyes are a little burning. My throat's a little sore. It feels kind of strange. Yeah, and I have some health conditions, some respiratory. I have a mild asthma, and I also feel tightness. Yeah. And I've been just taking it easy. And look what's making a comeback: masks. Lots of people wore them during the pandemic, but these guys might not be enough for smoke. So the mask you need is called a P100. It's the one with the filters on the side like this that you'd wear when you're painting or working with noxious fumes.
Man, it's crazy, man. And I think that if they don't get the wildfire under control where it started, and what I saw online, they said that it had 3 stages to it, and you know what I'm saying. And I feel like if they don't get it under control, then before you know it, everybody'll be up under this. Everybody, it'll be like a different pandemic. You see, a lot of people think that that the world's gonna go back to normal. You know, after COVID and all of this, it's not going back. The world is not going back to normal. It's only going to get worse. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just telling you this because I feel like there's something I know. No, it's written. It's written. It's written. You know what I'm saying? We living in the end times. We living in the last days. It's only going to get worse. Year after year, month after month, week after week. That's why us as Christians, we gotta stay prayed up. We gotta make sure we get on that armor of God, because if not, we gonna, all this weakness is going on in this world. We gonna be the target. We gonna be the target that the enemy come and fight against. And what do the devil come to do? It come to steal, kill, and destroy. But I just wanted to share the dream that God had given me 2 months ago. I had this dream. I did not understand this dream. But as soon as this situation broke out, God immediately brought me back to that dream that he gave me 2 months ago. And see, even 2 months ago, I had been trying to figure out and get an understanding. I knew that what I saw, something was coming, but I didn't understand the circumstances of the smoke that I was seeing that was coming over the town that I was in this dream. I didn't, and I had an idea that it had to be toxic because I literally can feel the heat off of this smoke as it hit me. I can literally feel like fire hitting my body. When I woke up out of my sleep, I literally could still feel the heat from the air hitting me. But I just want to thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Y'all catch me in the next video. Thanks.